How to create a new ticket for support. Search Martcost keywords on Google search engine. Click here and open Martcost.com official website. Click on support button. First log in now. If you're not registered on Martcost, then first register now. First, enter your username or email address. Second, enter your password. And check I am not robot. After then click on login button. Finally your login process has been successfully completed, and you can shopping now and learn now easily. After then click on support button. Now click here, new ticket. Now fill your support ticket form and click on I am not a robot. After then click on submit ticket. Your ticket has been successfully created on Martcost. Join now, digitaleducationmartcost.com. Go to store, www.martcost.com. And contact now, services@martcost.com.